All right, it's early September, and we're gonna head out for our first early goose season. This is freshly chopped cornfield. Geese have been coming in here the last couple days. We're gonna get set up in the middle out here, and hopefully we can get some geese to land. It's finally cooled off. We got about 70-degree weather right now, so it's not too hot. It's extremely dry out, so I'm hoping for not very many mosquitoes here this afternoon. So it sounds like they've been landing in this section off to our right, kind of in the middle, so the way it was chopped out is going to actually work out really well. Pretty much wherever they land, we should get an opportunity to get some geese today. We'll be using some of my hand loads, steel loads. They're going to be 23 a Longshot and a Federal Hull with 1 ounce and 1/8 of BBs. So we're going to give them a shot, see how they work out today. Ready? Alright, today we're out here early season goose hunting, early September. Started our goose hunt, it was about 70 degrees, and we got set up. Within about 10 minutes we had a flock of 4 or 5 geese come in. They were a little too far out for a shot, and the second group came in, same thing, they circled on the far side from us. So we ended up waiting for them to just kind of hang out in front of us till they started getting closer. As they got closer, another group came in and landed across the road at a pond, and it seemed like that's where they were headed out to go to. So as they were in the process of taking off, we ended up dropping down a total of 6 geese. My son shot 4 of them and I shot 2 of them. Today we're using the Federal Hull with 23 of the Longshot with a TPS wad with 1 ounce and 1/8 of BBs in it, and seemed to do really well. I would say the geese were about 30 to 35 yards when we shot, and we knocked them down real well. Just a good group of nice geese. Now that the rain's moved in, it's cooled off probably down to about 60 degrees, maybe 55, 60 degrees. So definitely a good hunt. We're gonna get these picked up here and head in, clean them up, and see if we can cook some goose here in the real near future. We definitely determined real quick, carrying 6 geese out with all of our gear, chairs, shotguns, and the decoys, it was going to be a little bit more than what we wanted. So we actually went back, took our equipment and shotguns back to the pickup truck, and drove to the field to load them all up here.